Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be reviewing and demoing the new Alyssa Edwards collab with ABH palette, and this is the look I came up with. And I'm also going to be demoing the new ABH primer. And yeah guys, so if you want to hear my thoughts on that, just keep on watching. So the PR package that I got came with this pretty mirror. It says Beast on it. It's really pretty pink rhinestones, and I love it so much. And then on the front, I'm gonna try not to blind you guys. It has a pair of lips, which I think is so cute. And then we also got a fan, and let me just. Well, I did that backwards, but this is what the fan looks like. It's huge. It's like so huge, and it also says Beast on it. It's just so cute. Oh my god, I feel so fancy. Wait, one more time. That was funny. Okay. And then the palette, we have the palette, and if it looks a little like used, it's because I filmed this video, well, I attempted to film this video yesterday, and this is what the palette looks like. It has 14 colors, 3 of them are pressed pigments, and this palette retails for $45. It should be up. If not, I will put when you can start buying them or when it launches. I'm pretty sure it launched already, but I'll put that down in the description. Also, you can get the fan and the mirror. I believe the fan is 15, or the mirror and the fan, one of them is 15, one of them is 25. I will put the correct prices down below, but right now I can't think of it. And ABH also came out with their new eye primer, which I will be using. This will be retailing for $25, and there will also be a mini size, which will be, I believe, 13 or 15. So this one will be 25, the smaller one will be 13 or 15, and I will put that down below. So enough rambling and all the technicalities, let's get into this. So ABH eye primer is right now it comes in one shade, one really light shade. It is a squeezy tube, and the thing with this is it's a very liquidy primer, so you have to be very careful when you press, when you squeeze the bottle to get some out, because you don't want to squeeze too much and get too much out, to which you're not going to use it and it's not going to be utilized, and then you're wasting it. So be very careful, because this is a very liquidy eye primer, so you just want to press it really softly. And I'm going to take some on the back of my hand, even though I have my own little metal palette, but it's dirty. So, and now I'm gonna just take my finger and I'm just gonna put this on my eye. Let me use my mirror. Let me be cute about it, and just press that over my eye. And then I'm gonna take a beauty sponge and I'm just gonna press that in. As for the not creasing thing, I did try this primer yesterday when I was using the palette. That's the not creasing thing. I have hooded eyes, so most primers, concealers, they crease on my eyes, so it doesn't really matter to me that much. So, and I have an idea of this look, so I'm gonna post a picture on the screen somewhere, and I'm going to try to find who originally did this, and I'm going to put their information either on the screen or in the description. So yes, but that is the look that I'm going to be recreating. Obviously gonna do like kind of different colors, because yeah. So I'm going to be using, I think, solely this brush. This is an H&M brush. Yes, I know, an H&M brush, but this brush is really good, and it's actually one of my favorite brushes. It was $1. My mom got it for me, and I love this little packing side, and I love this little blending side. I'm gonna take the color Believe, which is one of the pressed pigment colors, and it is the bright purple, and I'm going to run that I recommend using like something similar to this brush that's flat but it's like fluffy at the same time, so that you can get the pigment and be able to blend it, because I found with I used this brush last time, it was kind of hard to get it to the pigmentation that I wanted. And as you guys can see, I don't know if you can see it from there, but I do have some fallout, and in the palette I do have some kickback, which I don't really care about. I don't care about fallout either because I didn't do my base, so it's not that big a deal to me. But if that is a big deal to you, keep that in mind. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep blending this till I get the blend and the pigmentation that I want. Okay, I think I got it placed pretty much where I want it. So now I'm gonna go in with the color Texas Made, which is the bright pink, and I'm going to blend that on top of this color, and same technique, pack it, and then use, you know, the same brush to blend it a little. Okay, so I think I got it blended pretty nicely. I'm still gonna blend on top of it, not like that. But in between Texas Made and Believe, I'm gonna take the color Unicorn Tribe and blend that in between to help blend it even more. To blend the pink, I'm actually gonna take the white shade and a little bit of Texas Made to make a lighter pink and blend that at the top with the fluffy side. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with Believe and re-intensify the purple so that it gets the pigmentation after blending all the colors on top of it. Okay, so underneath that, this is gonna be the hard part, and I'm so scared because I don't want to mess this up, but I'm gonna use the black called Beast, and I'm going to blend that on my crease underneath the purple. So what I'm noticing is that there's a spot right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom you guys in. There's this spot right here, right where the purple and the black are meeting, where it's kind of being patchy. Luckily that doesn't really matter because that's exactly where I'm gonna cut the crease. So, but yeah, I don't know why it's doing that, but thought I would mention it so that you guys would be aware of that. And obviously right over that, just gonna do the purple so that everything blends, and we will cut the crease. I'm gonna take a Q-tip and this simple cleansing water, and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to take the ABH base and I'm going to put it where I cut my crease so that the shadows that I put on next will have a clean canvas. So now I'm gonna set it with the shade Headliner, which is the white shade, because ABH makes some of the best whites. Like, oh my god, they really don't be having a snap on us like that. But okay, I'm gonna take a pencil brush for the little butterfly shape on the inner corner, and what I'm gonna do is go from darkest to lightest. So the black first, taking Beast. I'm going to I'm scared, but okay, and be very precise about this. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take Beast and pack that on. Next, I'm going to take the color Believe, which is the purple, and I'm going to pack that next. And then next, I'm going to take the pink, which is Texas made, and blend that next to the purple, well, on top. So this is how the eye is looking, and I think it looks super cute. I think it looks super cute. So I'm gonna go off camera, everything, do the whole shebang, and then I'll come back with my thoughts. Okay guys, so this is what the finished look came out to be. I really like it. As you can see, I'm not wearing lashes because I really did not feel like putting them on. Here's my thoughts on everything. I think the palette's really great. I think the palette's amazing. I do not think it's for beginners. I think this is more of an intermediate to professional palette, or someone with more experience with blending. Do it if you really feel confident in your blending, but I personally think this would be a better palette for someone who has more blending experience. As for the primer, I think the primer is really good. I just wish they had more colors. I would love to see more skin tone colors and more like actual bright colors, and hopefully they will be expanding. I think the mirror is really cute. The fan's awesome. I think everything's really cool. So overall, I give this 2 thumbs up. Like, I think this is really good collection. Like, ABH, Alyssa, y'all really did that. All right, I see y'all. So yeah guys, that's pretty much my review. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on them bell notifications. Follow me on all my socials. They will be linked down in the description, and have an awesome day. Bye guys.